touch ignites the stars at night. You hold me close and I feel right. Wrapped in your arms, I'm finally free. A love so wild, it's all I see. With every breath, you steal my heart. Forever bound, we'll never part. Every whisper, every glance, a love so deep, a sweet romance. No words could ever quite convey the magic you bring every day.
Think of all the times we lay looking up out at the stars. Nervous all the way you make me feel. You're setting fire to my heart. Before you, oh, what was that? Don't recognize now I'm looking out. How I adore you, it can't be mad.
今日咧係我同你已經一齊咗第3447日啦。咁好慶幸9年前能夠喺歌唱比賽遇上你，咁亦都好多謝你選擇咗我做你男朋友。其實時間真係過得好快，所以咧我每年嘅生日願望咧，除咗係身體健康之外咧，就係想時間過得慢啲，咁我就可以陪你耐啲。老實講，我知我自己有時都幾難頂，做嘢都好衝動。但係遇上你之後咧，我就學識慢慢做嘢細心啲啦。雖然我係一個好悶嘅人，唔識俾咩驚喜你。
個女交俾你啦，你要好好照顧佢啦。
但係我相信往後嘅日子，絕對能夠俾到安穩嘅生活你。咁好多謝你最後都仍然冇放棄過我，俾我繼續努力照顧你，同埋愛惜你。
今朝喜得迎佳勢啊，才女嫁個狀元郎，恭喜恭喜，掌聲！
Don't recognize now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched. No. Ooh. Oh my love, oh my love, I have only love. More than enough, this simple way we know.
我請在場各人見證，我黃正傑願以你黃佩芝為我合法妻子，從今以後無論順境或逆境，
喜悅或悲傷，我願一生陪伴你，尊重你，愛惜你。
兩個婆婆啊，要和和氣氣，樣樣入雙有量。嗰啲帶老公一齊翻屋企，係啊，同你一齊食飯，陪多啲你咁樣。但係你喺圖書館都喺度偷望我，多謝你主動揾上我。係你主動揾上我，我先可以同你一齊到咁耐。雖然呢9年好似好耐咁，但係其實你啱啱都講啦，其實我哋生活都好似好平淡，但係其實我唔使太多驚喜，最緊要平淡平穩就已經好足夠啦。
我愛你，黃佩芝。